Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Photoshop and loading a representative image so every step records correctly. Once the Actions panel is visible, create a new set to keep things tidy. Click New Action, give it a descriptive name, and optionally assign a function key. This saves time later. Press Record and think through the task. You must commit to each click and setting now, because Photoshop will replay exactly what you do. Work deliberately. Small mistakes will be recorded too, so plan the sequence. Now, perform the exact edits you want to automate. Adjustments, filters, layer transforms, and mask steps, order matters. When a dialog appears, choose values carefully. Photoshop records those numeric inputs and menu choices. If a step needs user input at playback, use Insert Stop or Insert Menu Item so you can prompt the user later. Once done with a complex block, test playback immediately on a copy to confirm behavior. This catches unintended absolute selections or hard-coded paths. Finish by clicking Stop. You now have a reusable action. Test playback on several images to ensure robustness. Differences in image size or layer names often break actions. If something fails, open the Actions panel, step through the recorded commands, and re-record only the problematic portion. Make sure selections aren't absolute, avoid hard-coded file paths, and handle dialogues with modal controls or stops. One key troubleshooting tip: run the action on a duplicate image. This isolates problems without risking originals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.